Vampire stories. Today we will see a vampire animal. It is Darwin's blood-sucking finch or vampire finch. During half the year, a small brown bird in the northernmost region of the Galapagos Islands uses its extremely sharp beak to collect seeds, nectar and insects. However, when the environment becomes dry, it drinks blood. Meet the vampire finch. Yes, just as you read it, the finches of the Galapagos have been, since the time of Charles Darwin, one of the clearest examples of the obvious functioning of evolution. Angiospersa septentrionalis is a particularly atypical Galapagos finch, one of the few birds in the world that intentionally draws and drinks blood. Furthermore, it is only found on the Wolf and Darwin Islands, two of the most remote and restricted places in the entire archipelago. If you are liking the video, subscribe and like it so we can make more content like this. Thank you. The vampire finch has a method. First, it flies onto the back of a resting Nazca gannet, pecks at the base of the seabird's wing, and drinks. Blood stains the white plumage of the gannet. Other finches congregate around to wait their turn, or to watch and learn. Because adult gannets, also called boobies, can fly and escape, these attacks are almost never lethal. Blood eating is an unusual diet, and a research paper published in 2018 revealed that vampire finches have developed specialized bacteria in their gut that help with their digestion. An even more surprising fact, according to an article recently published in the journal Philosophical Transactions of the Royal Society B, is that some of these bacteria are similar to those found in vampire bats from Central and South America. Southeast Jin Song, a biologist at the University of California, San Diego, and lead author of the study, had previously studied the convergent evolution of gut bacteria. Two disparate animals that eat a diet as if they were the popular diet of the moment, eating only ants and termites, for example, develop a similar gut microbiota over evolutionary time. Vampire finches, which were first seen in 1964, gave Song the opportunity to observe intestines of blood drinkers from different branches of the tree of life. Finches line up to drink the blood of a gannet. Credit Jaime Chaves. Blood-drinking finches do not lead an easy life. They only resort to their vampire diet in difficult times. Blood is dangerously high in salt and iron, and low in essential nutrients like B vitamins. Vampire bats face the same dietary challenges. Song had already collected data on vampire bats, and to compare these animals with birds he collaborated with colleagues working in the Galapagos, who collected samples of vampire finch excrement. When Song's team compared the bacterial genomes in the vampire finch scat with the bacteria in the vampire bat's gut, they found few similarities. However, as the team described in the recent scientific paper, the two gut microbiomes did have one ingredient in common that could help digest blood: high levels of Peptostreptococcia, a family of bacteria thought to help process sodium and iron. Although these bats and birds followed very different evolutionary paths to reach their blood-drinking lifestyle, it was very interesting that they were found to have something in common, Song said. In the Galapagos, they are analyzing whether finches have developed any of the analgesic or anticoagulant proteins that vampire bats use on their victims. Chaves is still amazed by the privilege of seeing vampire finches in the act. Witnessing such unique behavior is one of the most rewarding things for a scientist, he said. See you